In this video, I will be showing you basic tools you will be needing for pattern making. First, most important is your pen and your notebook. You should jot things down and not rely on pictures and video illustrations alone, so you can easily go back to your notes and then read to understand things that you have jotted down in your own words. So your notebook and pen. Here is your tape rule, which you use to measure. And here is a pencil. Here is an eraser. These are like your best friend. And this is a tracing wheel. This is what you use to trace your pattern on paper. And this is a sticky tape, aka sellotape. This is your tailor's chalk. You don't need this in pattern making actually. You need it to cut your fabric. And this is your fabric scissors. You can buy any scissors basically, but just make sure that it is strong enough to cut fabric. And then this is a paper scissors. So you have to separate your paper scissors from your fabric scissors. So this is a seam ripper. You need this to correct errors on stitches. It makes losing your stitches easy. And this is a box of office pins. So you need a box of pins. This is a small scissors which I use to cut threads. So it comes in very handy and useful. Instead of using a whole scissors to cut your threads, you can buy this little scissors. It comes in handy. And this is a French curve. In the set of this, I wish I had new ones. In the set of this, there are 3 curves. So you need your French curve. And this is a set square. You need a set square. And this is a pattern master. There are different types of this in the market. You can get one that looks like this, that has markings on it. And also sometimes a pattern master can serve as your set square if it is marked like this. And this is an hip curve, which is also known as varying curve. You need this too. And lest I forget, you need a long ruler. This is made of steel. You can get one that is made of wood, or you can get this steel ruler as well. This is your sharpener. You need this to sharpen your pencil when it goes blunt. And finally, your papers for pattern making. These are brown papers. You get them in the markets where they sell tailor stuffs. And these are white papers, so you can use basically any one of them. You can get this also in tailor markets or printing press.